Here's Bunny. It's so hard to get a video of her with my kids because as soon as she sees me, she comes after me. She's a very young kitty. She was found underneath a porch. Very, very pregnant. So we took her and put her into foster care just in time for her to have her babies. So now her babies all found homes. Come here, Mamas. Come here, Bunny. And now it's time for her. Look at a little half tail. She's spayed, vaccinated, has flea preventative on. She's ready to go. She's just so sweet. She's highly social. She allows my 5, 3, and 2-year-olds to pick her up, pet her. She jumps out and hangs out with them. So she'd be great in any kind of active household. Hey, Mom. Oh, that feels good.